ucimecimeza amehlo aphuma inyembezi ubuka izinto engafanelanga uzibuka. How are you going to hear the instruction? Into endiyithethayo apha eWestern Cape ukuthi i-instructions siyayibona, sifika kanjani ekufumaneni i-instruction from the instructor. Why ingqondo zethu zibhizi lilizwe? UTwitter ukhona, uFacebook ukhona, zonke izinto nini andithi zero. Ingabe ufika wabetha izinto zethu. But if we move from uTwitter lo uye kuTikTok, uye kuFacebook, uye kuNtontoni, uya ngokuthi yeyiphi ngathi information emnandi, move for 6 hours uhleli ku social media, but you are expecting to hear the voice of God. Akwenzeki, because the voice of God iyakhangelwa, uyamkhangela uThixo. I-fasting yokuqala ekumele uyenze kangabohlulwa ileyo yekukutya. Khawuqala ufaste leyo ubukele izinto zingaka. Khawudilite manje uphungule manje usiphungule izinto. Mina xa ungifumana kancane ngifumana ifoni yami engathi icacambile ucacamba. Abantu ngifuna ukumfonela uba wena ngiyafoneleka. No WhatsApp ngenxa into zemsebenzi awufumani kwendawo, because you must limit as much as you can izinto ezithethwa lilizwe. Limit the word, and you are going to interact with the spiritual world. Awukwazi uku-interact with the spiritual world while you are still busy with the worldly stuff. Ezigcwalisa ingqondo yakho. Sihamba sonke. Ngicela ndakunceda futhi pha kwabaseKorinte oqala ivesi phaya ibengona chapter 9, abaseKorinte bokuqala ichapter 9, undifundele pha la verse yokugqibela, I think u-27.